Hello everyone, and in today's video we're going to be doing some work on this 2011. So guys, I am currently editing this video, and dumb me, this is a 2014 Lenovo, so please disregard what I first said. Now let's get back to it. Lenovo Yoga, and we're going to be upgrading it. Now, what are we going to be upgrading it with? Well, I do have a spare SSD laying around. It is the Samsung 860 EVO. Now, if you guys have seen the video that I posted not too long ago, which is the Ultimate PS4 Slim. I had two of these because I got these at a really good deal at Best Buy the other day, and well, I figured, I could use it for my gaming rig, or I could give the option to my family member and see if they wanted an SSD, and they said, yeah, go ahead and do it. And I told them I had one laying around, and I'm not using it. So we're going to upgrade their rig, and it should be quite smoother than what it is. Because their main complaint is that it is running a little too slow. So let's power this bad boy down and dig into it and get ready to go. So guys, for the bit that you're going to need on this backside, you're going to need a Torx T2, and I don't have a tray laying around, so what I like to do when I work on laptops is basically have the laptop laid out how it's going to be through the process, and we'll lay the screws out the same way. That way, when it comes back to reverting and putting everything back together, everything's laid out exactly how I took it apart. So, yeah. But this is my not my first time working on a Windows laptop. I'm more used to the Mac operating system and working on a Mac computer than doing a Windows computer. That should be all of them. So, might need to grab my smudger. Yep, I'm gonna grab my smudger. upgrade the compact computer. Take some pictures. Okay, so now looks like I'm going to need smaller screwdriver. So we should be able to grab the hard drive here and pull it up. Be careful of this connector right here, but you should be able to pull it off. Funny enough, this is a 500 gig Seagate drive, and I'm replacing it with the Samsung Evo 500 gigabyte. So let's pull this out quick. So guys, there you guys go. It's back up and running and faster than ever. And he's going to be very happy with it, I hope. If there's any more issues in terms of overheating or anything like that, I will let you guys know. But, yeah. Overall, upgrading the hard drive to an SSD, which is right here, it was quite easy, and nothing too difficult.